What makes you blush?
May blush on.
If you have one quality that will make you win the Miss Universe Beauty Pageant, what is it and why?
I do believe that my quality is quantity.
Do you believe that we are responsible for the eventual demise of Mother Earth?
Nakaka-nosebleed naman yun. I do believe demoralize the Mother Earth. I do believe that the mother pearl is a pearly shell that we need because in the Philippines we have pearls ng silanganan. Yeah.
Anyways, happy birthday mga kahayup-hayupan dyan.
At ang description ko sa'yo is a noun.
Oh, what is a noun? What is a noun?
A noun is a name.
No, naman, a noun is a name word.
Oh,
It's a
name,
name word.
animal. Not pronoun. Kaya ako nasabi yung noun kasi, ano ba yun? My description to you is a noun because you beating, trashing, spanking, hit, expression, get to it, give it all you got, go, 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 all out.
Ano ba title nito?
Group of May Showtime.
Desi Hans ay nakakuha ng 33 points.
Oh, yes!
Kailangan mo pa ng 167.
Konti lang pala yung nagawa mo. Ang dream house ko, beach house. Kasi gusto ko na yung fresh air. Alam mo yun, yung parang malakaway, ganon. Pero, yung ganon, may house, saka may air, saka may bed, ganyan.
Guilty or not guilty, nagkagusto sa mas bata.
Oh, ako ba yan?
Best time for chocolates.
Dessert.
Define happiness.
Happiness is when it happens, you know. Right? Whatever you like happens.
April Boy Regino, di ba? Oo.
May ginugol ka na naman?
Walang wifi.
Wala.
April Boy Regino ang pangalan mo. Taga Davao ka.
Yes pa.
O, tapos, paano ka nakarating dito? Yung kanta, ang ganda, parang apelido ko, Quinto. Quinto! Quinto! Yes. And I dedicate that song to myself. Yes. I hope I like it. Di ba, Gwen, galing ka sa PBB?
Yes po.
Oo. Tapos, dapat kantayin nyo, magaling. Di ba?
Salamin yun!
Salamin ba?
Salamin yung mga ganun.
Oo, kita mo
Hindi
na.
magaling.
Magaling.